Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with Oldies but Goodies Gen X ATC cards. Now this is one I did not recognize. I don't ever remember watching it. It's called the Pupples. So I just found a picture of them in a cool background, added some bling. If I remember correctly, don't they like go into their heads go into their like, and they make a round little puff ball, and their bodies come out. I don't remember. See, I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to this one. Like I said, I don't remember these at all. But this is my ATC card for the Pupples, however you say it. There it is. So if you actually watched this as a kid, let me know down in the comments, because this is another one I did not recognize. It's amazing when you go to look into your cartoons of your childhood, and there's some that, oh, I don't know that one. Oh yeah, I recognize that one. So this was kind of fun when me and Sabrina came up with this idea. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.